Hello there and welcome to AMH Tech SL. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Python 3 on your Windows computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you will have to do is you will have to go to the official Python web page. Once you go to the web page, you will have to go over to the downloads button and then click on Windows or whatever the operating system you are using. So once you have clicked your selected operating system, you will receive a page like this and select the installer which is compatible with your system. So I'm going to download it for 64-bit Windows, and then you will have to click on save file. The setup file is 27.6 MB, so the download speed depends on the speed of your network connection. So once you have downloaded the Python 3.9.7, double click the setup file and wait for it to load. So the setup file has loaded right now. You will have to tick add Python 3.9 to path and install now. And now Python 3 has been successfully installed on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching this video and please like, subscribe and share this to all the people who are unable to install Python on their Windows machine.